The city of Makati in the Philippines is a highly urbanized powerhouse located at the center of Metro Manila and home to the vibrant and bustling central business district. Being considered as the financial capital of the Philippines, Makati City houses the head offices of major banks and financial institutions which include both multinational and local business establishments in the country. The first modern high-rise building in the Philippines began to appear in 1912 when the 8-story Manila Hotel was built. Over the years, following the rise of big buildings in the area, Makati has become the financial and commercial capital of the country since the late 1960s, then it finally became a city in 1995. One of Makati City's main highlights is the Ayala Center, a major commercial development operated by Ayala Land, which is located in the heart of the city. The Ayala Center is one of the busiest areas in Makati, since it already has everything that you can imagine. Shopping, dining and entertainment are all found in the center. What's also very exciting about the place are the interconnected malls of SM Ayala, Rustan's, Glorieta, Landmark and Greenbelt. Philippines truly is famous for having the best malls in the world, and the Ayala Center of Makati definitely has some of them. The Greenbelt of Ayala is one of the best places to go if you're looking for luxury stores or top-of-the-line brands, plus it also offers a fantastic view of lush greenery and a vast array of places to shop and dine. SM Ayala and Glorieta on the other hand houses both upscale shops and mass-market retail stores. The Glorieta Mall is probably the biggest mall around the area, with a huge choice of restaurants, shops, and services. This is just beside Landmark, another fantastic mall which offers a wide variety of affordable clothing, accessories, furniture and everything else. If you aren't shopping, you can just walk around the area as it's absolutely a great place to people watch and feel the pulse of the city. Besides its huge buildings and spectacular malls, relaxing open areas and refreshing green spaces are also found around this modern district of Makati. One of its impressive parks is the Ayala Triangle Gardens, which is absolutely a perfect place to do a morning walk or chill, read books and just enjoy the beautiful view of the garden surrounded by Makati's tall buildings. The 2-hectare park Ayala Triangle Gardens is accessible through 2 of Makati's underpasses and situated along the Ayala Avenue, one of the busiest roads in Metro Manila. The Ayala Center is surrounded by plenty of hotels and condominiums. Expect them to have higher rates than in other areas since the place is the city center of Makati. Its cost of living is significantly higher as compared to its other neighboring cities in Metro Manila, but is still lower compared to other major cities around the world. Top destinations such as Bonifacio Global City, the newest commercial and business district, and Rockwell Center, another high-end mixed-use area in Makati, are also close to the district. Most foreigners who have relocated to the Philippines for work and those who have chosen to stay in the country permanently also usually gravitate toward Makati because of the unparalleled cosmopolitan lifestyle that the Ayala Center offers. When walking around many areas of the Ayala Center, you'll definitely see expats of different nationalities everywhere. And this is not surprising, because the place houses numerous international establishments. The Ayala Center is also considered as one of the safest areas in Metro Manila. It is a pedestrian-friendly and a flood-free neighborhood. When in Makati, the Ayala Center is certainly the best place to shop, dine, grab some drinks and relax. The place is perfect for local and international tourists who wants to experience city life in the Philippines or for those who are planning to relocate. It is a tourist hub where you will never run out of things to do and places to go. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to get new video updates. Thank you for watching.